Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Man, it's starting to get cold again. Summer's already over. Well, that's too bad. But you know what'll fix that right up? A nice cup of tea. No, not a chai tea latte. A cha da cup, Punjabi style. Vegan Sings piping hot Punjabi cha da cup. I don't know where Jay Sean just came from, but I love that song. And my Punjabi cha da cup, it'll have a nice twist at the end. You'll see. It's pretty cool. You know what they say, every great conversation always has a cup of tea. I made that up. But that's the Punjabi word of the day, galbaat, which means discussion. Anyway, enough of this. Let's get started. Aayo chaliye. All right, we're in the kitchen. For a serving of 2 people, we'll start off with 1.5 cups of water and we'll pour it into a pot. What's this? I'm not making breakfast tea. This is way too fancy. We're making cha da cup, Punjabi style. Don't forget that. That's what we need, a regular pot. So just go ahead and pour this in. All right, the pot of water is on the gas range. I have it on medium heat, and we're just gonna wait till it simmers. Now we're gonna prep the ingredients, and the main ingredient is ginger. It's so good for you. It's a testosterone booster. It also is really good for your immune system. So this chai is an immune system testosterone booster superfood. Think about it. So I have about 1 inch worth of ginger. We're gonna go ahead and peel it. We're not gonna use a knife. I almost poked myself. We're not gonna use a knife. I have a trick for you. The knife, it ends up wasting a lot of the ginger. What we're gonna be using instead, voila, a spoon. So let me show you. It's really simple. While holding the ginger firmly, just use the edge of the spoon to peel. Super easy. And you'll see there's no wastage in it. That ginger looks beautiful. And then just go ahead and crush it. Boom. Okay, major tip on making your cha taste amazing. Make sure when you add the ginger, you add it to boiling water, because that reaction of the ginger going into hot boiling water helps enhance all the flavors from the ginger. It absorbs all the flavor into the water. If you end up adding the ginger too early before the water is hot or boiling, what ends up happening is you're just boiling a lot of ginger, but you're not able to extract all of the flavors. And you don't want to overboil the ginger. You want to just let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes, and it'll end up taking all the flavor. If you wait too long, it'll evaporate. Here's another tip. Once you add the ginger, go ahead and mix with a spoon. That'll help spread the flavor evenly. After boiling the ginger for 2 or 3 minutes, add a tablespoon of loose tea. Make sure it's loose tea. It has the best flavor, and go ahead and just continue to mix it until it's nice, dark, and brown. Add 1.5 cups of soy milk. I use soy milk instead of a nut-based milk because the nut-based milk, once it starts to boil, loses its texture and actually starts to crumble, while soy milk keeps its form. So you want to keep boiling the chai until it's nice and brown. Okay, I told you guys that there's a twist in this cha da cup. Here's the twist. We're gonna be adding a masala, a homemade masala, to top it off at the end. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna crush 3 cloves, and we're gonna take 3 cardamom and crush those as well. But the shells of the cardamom, we're going to dry roast until it's nice and brittle, where we can just crush it into the cha. So that is an amazing addition to this already amazing recipe. As I finish up the tea, let's just hear Jay Sean's famous cha song.
Masala ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਪ ਨਾ ਬੜਾਇਆ ਮਸਾਲਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਪ ਨਾ ਬੜਾਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੰਮੀ ਡੈਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਣੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਪੀਣੀ ਆ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਣੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਣੀ ਆ.
So nostalgic. I hope he records that song someday. Okay, go ahead, pour the tea, add the masala on top, and we're done. Kidda? Bottoms up. Oh man, that's amazing. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one.